Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the country and language in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the bottom of your screen and press on your account there. After that, you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the settings. You can just scroll down here and press on language and region. And you can just select first the region, which is basically the country, and after that the language, which in this case can only be Hungarian, for example, if you select Hungary. And all you need to do is just press on update, and after that the region and the language is going to change. So the language of the application in this case is going to be Hungarian. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.